Hello everyone. So, it's Christmas again, which means one thing in our kitchen: baking season is officially on. Today we're making something seriously cute and seriously delicious: mini panettone. Yes, mini, because everything is better when it's smaller and buttery. These little panettone are fluffy, light, and packed with sweet fruits and crunchy almonds. A true buttery masterpiece that's perfect for the holidays. Why mini panettone? We decided to make smaller portions because 1, they're adorable, 2, everyone gets the same size, no fighting over slices, and 3, they're perfect for gifting if they last long enough. Ingredients: for 6 mini panettone, you'll need warm water, dry yeast, sugar, free-range eggs, vanilla, salt, unsalted butter, plain flour, chopped orange peel, raisins, and for the topping, 1 egg for glazing, and almond flakes. See full ingredient list in the description below. First things first, let's wake up the yeast. Mix warm water, yeast, and a tablespoon of sugar, then leave it alone for about 15 minutes. When it starts foaming, you know it's alive and happy. In another bowl, whisk the eggs, vanilla, salt, and the rest of the sugar until the mixture looks light and thick. Then pour in that foamy yeast mixture. Magic already happening. Next, gently melt the butter and add it to the mix. Now slowly add the flour, little by little. You're looking for a dough that's soft and smooth. Not sticky, not dry, just right. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes until it feels soft and pliable. Pop the dough into a lightly greased bowl, cover it with a clean tea towel, and let it rise in a warm spot for about an hour. Once risen, gently press the dough out into a rectangle and work in the raisins and orange peel. Cover again and let it rise for another 30 minutes. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius fan. Grease a 6-cup muffin or cupcake tin with butter. Divide the dough into 6 equal pieces, roll them into balls, and gently place them into the molds. Brush with beaten egg, sprinkle almond flakes on top, and into the oven they go for about 30 minutes. Once baked, turn off the oven and let them cool inside. This helps keep them light and fluffy. And that's it, mini panettone. They came out soft, light, and airy, with just the right amount of sweetness, perfect for breakfast or dessert, or honestly, any time. And yes, these were gone immediately. Have you ever seen mini panettone before? This was our first time, and we're definitely making them again. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how yours turned out. And if you enjoyed this festive bake, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Christmas spirit. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.